muri umucyo w'isi. Abantu bavuga ngo ndu umucyo w'isi.
I am the light of the world.
Nimara kubamurikira,
When I have shone over you,
muzahinduka umucyo w'isi.
you will turn to be the light of the
hanyuma
world.
muhinduke nk'umudugudu,
And you shall become like a city,
utazigera wongera kubarizwa hasi.
a city that will not be found on the valley anymore.
Umudugudu utazongera gutsikamirwa no gukandagirwa n'ibibonetse
A
byose.
city that will not be covered, will not be overpowered by anything that comes around.
Muzahinduka umudugudu lebile dozopeleyada.
You will become
wubatswe hehe? Come
a
on.
city that is built on the top of the hill.
Ngirira ukwegera ngo Imana yabwiye pastor ngo ishuri mwari murimo rirarangiye murimutse.
Listen to this. God has told Pastor, tell your neighbor, God has told Pastor that the class that you have been in, the school you have been in, you are shifting from there and you are entering in a new place.
Pastor, dusohotse muri maternelle,
We are-
abandi basohotse muri primaire,
Yes,
abandi
Pastor.
basohotse muri secondaire.
Yes.
Wamaze kubona amanota, amanota yuzuye, amanota arahagije.
Listen to this. We are coming out of nursery. We are coming out of P1. We are being graduated because our marks are already ready to go out.
Pastor, Imana yambwiye ngo ndi umucyo. Mumaze iminsi mundamye, mukomeze mundamye, mbakubise umucyo.
Oh, yes.
Muhindutse umucyo.
Oh, yes.
Birinduye pastor.
Oh, God has told me that things are turning upside down. I am the light. When you follow me, I turn you to become light. And everywhere you go, you manifest light.
Ngirira ukwegereye ngo wimutse washaka kuguma muri classe ya kera. Abari bamaze iminsi barota inzozi bari mu ishuri. Reka
People, you have been dreaming when you are in class. I want to let you know you are being shifted.
ntabwo ishuri turyiga iteka.
We don't stay in one class for forever.
N'urugendo rw'ubutayu rwagize iherezo. Bambuka Yorodani pastor bajya hakurya.
Yes, even the journey of the Israelites of the wilderness, they came to a point when they crossed over and they crossed Jordan.
Igihe cy'ubutayu kibaho ko kikarangira.
The time of wilderness comes, but it comes to an
Igihe
end.
cy'ibizami kirahaba ariko bagatanga n'amanota. Ntega amatwi nkubwira amanota yasohotse.
Let me tell you, there is a time for exams and there is also a time of the marks going out. Let me give you an announcement. The marks have been published.
Pastor,
Yes.
umva bwira
Listen.
ukwegereye ngo wasohotse kuri liste y'abimutse.
Turn to your neighbor. Tell your neighbor you have been promoted.
Yesu yaravuze ngo muzaba umudugudu
Yes.
wubatswe mu mpinga z'iki kugira ngo ubishaka utabishaka ukwemera utakwemera nta shwa afite.
They don't have any choice because God has placed you on the hill. Whether they like it or not, whether they believe in you or not, whether they want to hear or not, it is they have no option. The only option is you being on the top of the hill.
Hari abantu ibintu bamaranye igihe insyo bari bamaranye igihe baziye kuzishyira mu kabande bajya ku musozi hejuru.
People are going to leave the things that have been carrying for a long time. You're going to drop them and you are going on the tops of the mountains.
Aho umwanzi yageze atsikamira agiye kwicuza ntari bumenye ikibaye.
Oh, whatever the enemy has been doing for a long time, he's under captive right now because he will not understand what is going on.
Ntabwo uri impanuka ku isi.
You are not an accident.
Ntabwo waje utunguranye. Ababyeyi bashobora gutungurwa ariko ntabwo watunguranye.
Your parents can be surprised of the pregnancy, but you are not a surprise in the God's face.
Ibyo waciyemo byose bifite aho bihurira n'ibyo ugiye kuvugira mu mpinga y'umusozi.
Whatever you went through, it has something to do with what you're going to do on the tops of the mountain.
Imana irambwira ngo ibyanditswe bimwe bijye ku making sense.
God spoke to me and said, some of the scriptures that people have been reading, they are going to make sense now.
Muri umucyo w'isi.
You are the light of the world.
Muri abo nashyize ku mpinga y'umusozi.
You are the one that are placed on the tops of the hills.
Pastor bijye ku making sense.
This is going to make sense.
Ntawe uzongera kureba umugrace room amurebera hasi.
There is no one who will ever look at Grace Room member from down. Impossible.
Nta rubanda rugufi.
There is no one who will be there over less
Umucyo
value.
w'Imana ugiye kukurasira.
The light of God is going to shine upon your life.
nuko uwo muyaga uhura n'ubasta uri mu muhanda uri hose umuyaga uramusanga niko uzagusanga uwo mucyo ugiye gusanga abawe n'abacu ku buryo
the wind is going to find you and find those who belong to you in a way that you cannot avoid it. It's going to find everywhere, anywhere there will be.
class turayishoje.
We are finishing the first class.
Class turayishoje.
You are going to the next one.